Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see CSA dumps, CSA questions. So let's go into the video. We are going to discuss approximately 30 questions in this video, and yeah, so let's start the video. So the first question is, what data formats can integration hub parse? Options: only XML responses, both XML and JSON responses, only JSON responses. The correct answer is both XML and JSON responses. Next question. Task table is a dash table. Fill in the blank with the right option. Options: base, extend, custom, child. The correct answer is task table is a base table. Next question. What is the purpose of a formatter in Servicenow instance? Select one of the following. Options: formatter allows you to populate fields automatically. Formatter is a form element used to display information that is not a field in the record. A formatter allows you to configure applications on your instance. Formatter is a set of conditions applied to a table to help find and work with data. So the correct answer is formatter is a form element used to display information that is not a field in the record. The next question is, on the Servicenow instance, where does the global text search appear? Options: content area, left navigation pane, banner. So the correct answer is banner. Next question. Which of the below is not a list interface element? Options: fields, title bar, column headings, gauge. So the correct answer is gauge. Next question. Which of the following is a best example of contextual security in Servicenow? Options: business rules, data policy, ACL. So the correct answer is ACL. Next question. Which protocol is used to send outbound emails from Servicenow? Options: IMAP, SMTP. So the correct answer is SMTP. Next question. A variable set is a modular unit of variables that can be shared between catalog items. True or false? The correct answer is true. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of a UI action? Options: form buttons, list buttons, search, related links. So the correct answer is search. Next question. Which is the parent table for incident, problem, change in an Servicenow instance? Let's see the options. SLA, task, CMDB_CI, CMDB. So the correct answer is task. Task table is the parent table for incident, problem, change in an Servicenow instance. Next question. What is the master table that contains a record for each table in the database? Let's see the options. sys_master_db table, sys_master_object table, sys_db_object table. So the correct answer is sys_db_object table. Next question. Which one of the statement below describes the relationship between the incident table and task table? Let's see the options. The incident table is the parent of the task? No. The incident table extends the task table? Yes, this is right. The task table extends the incident table? No. The task table is the child of the incident table. So the correct answer is incident table extends the task table. Next question. Which module in service catalog application is responsible for creating items? Let's see the options. Maintain items, maintain dynamic categories, maintain category, items. So the correct answer is maintain items. Next question. Which out of the box support will help you to avoid creating duplicates while importing data? Options are transform script, coalesce field, transform field, sys_id. So the correct answer is coalesce field. Next question. Which technique is used to get information from a series of referenced fields from different tables? Let's see the options. Record hopping, dot walking, table walking. So the correct answer is dot walking, which is used to get information from a series of referenced fields from different tables. Let's see the next question. Which table stores information about CI relationship existing on a Servicenow instance? Let's see the options. cmdb_ci_item_rel, cmdb_rel_ci, cmdb_rel, cmdb_ci_rel. Let's see the correct option. cmdb_rel_ci table stores information about CI relationship existing on Servicenow instance. That means it stores all the relationships between CIs. That table stores all the relationships between CIs. Next question is, from the below options, please choose the correct definition of inactivity monitor in Servicenow instance. It is used to enhance the system logs. It provides more information on the duration of transactions between the client and the server. If it triggers an event for a task record if the task is inactive for a certain period of time. If the task remains inactive, the monitor repeats at regular intervals. So the correct answer is B. It triggers an event for a task record. If the task is inactive for a certain period of time, if the task remains inactive, the monitor repeats at regular intervals. Next question. Can we coalesce multiple fields in a table for given transform map? No, only one field per table can be coalesced. Yes, which is the correct option? Let's see. Yes, we can coalesce multiple fields in a table for given transform map. Let's go to next question. Does Servicenow support a table rotation? Options. No. Yes. So the correct answer is yes. Let's go to the next question. Which of the following statements holds true for service catalog categories? Options. Users with the admin or catalog_admin roles can view categories only if there is an active item in the category and availability is set to either desktop or both. B. Users with the admin or cat_admin roles can view categories only if there is an active item in the category and availability is set to either desktop or both. Here we don't have cat_admin role, so the correct answer would be A. Yes, so the correct answer is A. Next question. How are users related to roles or groups in an Servicenow instance? Let's see the options. One-to-one relationship, many-to-many relationship, one-to-many relationship, many-to-one relationship. So the correct answer is many-to-many relationship. Next question. Where are customizations done on Servicenow instance stored? The options are sys_update_xml, sys_update, sys_update_set. So the correct answer is sys_update_xml. Next question. Dash is used to join two tables. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Let's see the options. Database views, glide record, link tables. So the correct answer is database views. Next question. Is it true that a variable set can be used in multiple catalog items? Options. False, true. So the correct answer is true. We can use variable set in multiple catalog items. Next question. What defines conditions that are evaluated against users to determine which users can access service catalog items. Let's see the options. Palette tabs, user criteria, tables and forms. So the correct answer is user criteria. It defines conditions that are evaluated against users to determine which users can access service catalog items. Next question. What is the sequence of conditions in a Servicenow SLA definition? Let's see the options. Start, hold, halt. Start, in progress, stop. Begin, hold, halt. Start, pause, stop. So the correct answer is start, pause, stop. Next question. Which one of the following statements is correct when referring to UI actions? Let's see the options. UI actions on the task table are not available to its extended tables. UI actions are only executed on the server. Conditions can be specified to determine when a UI action appears. UI actions cannot use scripts or be scripted. So the correct answer is conditions can be specified to determine when a UI action appears.